So if your hood on your boat or engine compartment doesn't stay open, you gotta use a piece of wood. To hold your hood open. It's because the gas shocks are no good. So to replace them, you take a screwdriver in that little hole and you pop them off. So that's what it looks like when they're opened. And that's what it looks like when they're in the lock position. So you gotta get them open, getting a screwdriver underneath and prying it up so that they can slide on and off. So once they're in the open position, this is how hard it is to take them off. Just like that. And then this is one of my new ones. Put it back on. Now with the hood cylinders back on, it stays open without that piece of wood. And if you're trying to find how many pounds your cylinder is, you can look up the model number. SL36 is what mine is. And you can see that little mark beside it. That's the weight rating. So it's 40 pounds. And the closest ones I could find were 47 pounds, but yeah, they work. And I don't need to use the piece of wood to hold the hood open. Took all of about 3 minutes. When you're changing these, it's best to take one off, then take it into the store, and then being able to hold it up against it, because they have a specific collapsed and extended length. And most of the times if you take it to a shop, they'll be able to tell you how many pounds it's supposed to be. But these new ones, I put them on upside down, so I'll have to take them off and then put them back on the right way, which is that way so that nothing can sit in that seal. Now with the job done, you can just enjoy having it open on its own and then stay open, which is really nice. Here's the part number that I used for the shocks for my hood. This is on an Ebbtide Campione 220. You can also see that the cylinders are slightly different in collapsed length. And to remedy that, all I did was move the mounting point farther up so that it can actually collapse all the way and not bottom out.